Hey guys, so I'm just gonna make loud music for my parents and they're asleep, and it's middle of the night, and I'm gonna do it. Okay, and hit it! Here it comes, and